Hello everyone. Today is Friday, February 12th, 2021. Happy Chinese New Year. My name is Nicole. Today we are going to learn how to say Happy New Year in Chinese. 2021 is the year of the ox. Do you know your animal has impact on your career, health, and relationship success? Find out what zodiac animal you are. You can write down in the comment section below. Now let's get started. 新年快乐. 新年快乐. Happy New Year. 新 means new. 年 means year. The phrase 快乐 means happy. Together we say 新年快乐. Like New Year happy. You can also say 新年好, which is the same meaning but a simple version. 好 means good. 新年好. Want to learn more greetings or blessings in Chinese? Let's do it. We care a lot about our family, health, wealth, career, and relationship, so most blessings are on these topics. 身体健康, wish you good health. 万事如意, may all go well with you. 心想事成, may all your wishes come true. 恭喜发财, wish you happiness and prosperity. 牛年大吉, best wishes for the year of the ox. Alright, let's talk a little bit about Chinese New Year. Chinese New Year is also known as the Spring Festival, the most important holiday in China. It's like Christmas in Western countries. Unlike Christmas, there is no set date for the Chinese New Year. You can check the lunar calendar for the dates each year. It's a time for family reunions. Traditionally, we spend time with our family and relatives. But the trend changes over time. Some young people may catch up with the old friends or travel or just simply stay at home and relax. How do you spend your Chinese New Year? Let's share in the comment section below. Chinese New Year is celebrated for 16 days. Wow, that's a long time. From Chinese New Year's Eve to the Lantern Festival. We usually wear red for this holiday because red represents passion, energy, prosperity, and happiness. It's very nice to wear new clothes, have a lot of delicious food, and relax during the holiday. Before we finish, I would like to give you all my best wishes. 祝大家身体健康，万事如意，心想事成，恭喜发财，牛年大吉。If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, comment, and hit the like button. Stay tuned.